So to install your wash plate, you're just going to slide it down over the splines on your transmission. It should slide on very easily. If you're getting a fair amount of resistance to sliding in place, you want to check those splines on the transmission to make sure that they're not corroded or full of debris, grease, detergent, just yuck. And that sometimes happens. So clean that out and they should slide on there nice and fine. With your wash plate in place, we're going to put our agitator bolt back in. And again, we've confirmed that the seal is in good condition. Just thread it down into the transmission shaft. Take your socket and secure it. With the bolt secure, put your cap back on, and it just pushes straight down and snaps into place, and your repair is complete.